In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix the server is busy in Deepseek AI. First of all, start by closing the Deepseek AI app completely. On most phones, swipe up from the bottom or use the app manager to close the app, then reopen it. Sometimes a fresh start is all you need. Secondly, ensure that your mobile data or Wi-Fi is stable. A weak or intermittent connection could be causing the server issue. If needed, toggle your Wi-Fi or mobile data off and on to refresh the connection. Similarly, clearing the app cache might help. In order to do so, go to the settings of your phone. Here tap on Apps option. Find Deepseek. Then tap on Storage and Cache option. And here you can see the Clear Cache option. Tap on it. This will refresh the app's temporary files and fix minor glitches. Sometimes the error occurs because the Deepseek AI servers are temporarily overloaded. If that's the case, wait a few minutes and try again. And finally, if the issue still persists after trying all these steps, contact Deepseek AI support. They may be able to provide a solution or let you know if there are any known outages. And that's it. Now you know how to fix a server is busy error in Deepseek AI.